And my name is Peter Bruninger, and we're just coming to the Synergistic room to shoot our video for the RMAF series. And you just said something profound. Is a attendee here today. Your name is?
Bill Kuharski.
Hi, Bill. How are you?
Great.
So tell us about what you just said.
Ted's demo was amazing because he starts off the demo by shutting off all of his processing gear. And with all that processing gear shut off, this system sounds exactly like every other stereo here. It just sounds like a good high-end stereo. But when he turns everything on, the sound becomes truly transcendent. It's just completely mind-blowing. It's amazing.
Well, the viewers are going to get to hear it next. Thank you very much for giving us your thoughts.
Oh, happy to.
Great, thank you.
Hi, my name is Ted Denny, lead designer at Synergistic Research, and I'm coming to you from Rocky Mountain 2018 in Denver, Colorado, where we're launching our world debut of the new Galileo SX speaker cable, interconnect, digital cable, phono cable, and power cord system. These are the highest resolution, most neutral and natural sounding cables that we've ever made. They have technology from our SR25 research program that generated our amazing 25th anniversary all-silver power cord. A lot of that technology has now trickled down into the Galileo SX power cord. We have the blue fuse treatment. Many of you are familiar with my blue fuses. This technology is now applied to all of the Galileo SX cables, as well as a new matrix shielding, UEF matrix shielding, that gets rid of ringing in the cable so that you get much more detail with more clarity, musicality. They are unbelievable, breathtaking, and effortless. We're going to play the same track that we played last time that we visited with you at AV Showrooms, and you're going to hear the increase in performance and musicality and resolution and sound staging. Also new here at Rocky Mountain are the new white atmosphere. A lot of people needed a white atmosphere for their house to blend in. It has chrome bottom and top caps, and soon we'll have a chrome ATM on top and a new white black box. So I guess you can say white is the new black. Today I'm going to play for you the Intermezzo by Carmen by the Harold Faberman All-Stars. This is the same track that I played last time I met with AV Showrooms, and you're going to hear the amazing increase in clarity, realism, and musicality. Now to clearly illustrate what it is we are doing to create this sound, I'm going to turn off all of the active synergistic research technology in the system. I'm going to turn off the active electromagnetic cells in the PowerCell 12 SE line conditioner. By the way, everything is plugged into the PowerCell, including a 1,000-watt Constellation amplifier. Absolutely no current limiting. I'm also going to turn off the active ground block. All of the components in the system are connected to the active ground block. The shields of the Galileo SX interconnects digital cables are connected to the active ground block, and the Galileo SX power cords are connected to the active ground block. That's being turned off. I'm going to turn off all of the tranquility bases in the system. This is a mechanical isolation from vibration and resonance for your components, and an active electromagnetic cell that actually conditions signal while it's in the component through inductive coupling. That is being turned off. And using the iPad control app, I'm turning off the Atmosphere XL4, now available in white. So now all of the active synergistic research technology in the system is off, and we're going to take it from the top. Now very quickly, I'm going to turn all of the active synergistic research technology in the system back on. And we're going to take it from where we left off. I want to thank you for coming and visiting us here at Rocky Mountain 2018, and we look forward to seeing you at the next show. Thank you very much.